let him join. So good
Okay,
afternoon,
sir.
everyone.
Okay.
Myself, Dilip,
Okay, sir.
Dr. Sima.
Okay, sir.
I just want to hear some students about what are the things which they have learned and what are the additional knowledge which they have gained from this workshop. Students, can anyone brief out
Yes, sir.
what?
Students, please provide the feedback on the workshop, whatever happened for the 3 days. How was the workshop and what about the platform, whatever we have conducted, whether it is useful to us or not, what about the topic, how it was delivered, you can respond. Yes, students, can you hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, respond, man. Please respond. How the workshop was conducted, whether it is good or whatever you have achieved from this workshop. Please speak. Please unmute yourself and please speak few words about this workshop.
It was good, sir.
It was good. So, whether you have gained any extra knowledge
No,
about this particular workshop?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
don't say that it was good or bad because what are the things which you felt good? I mean
Uh,
to say,
so first
salient
2 days
points.
was easy, sir. Today is so difficult. We can't understand few topics today.
Okay. Yeah, today's topic, I think it is optimization. Yeah, rule number 220, please go ahead, ma. 15 BK 220, sorry, 20 BK 220. చెప్పండి.
Yes, any other person, please speak out.
I want at least a few people from second and few people from third year to speak out about this workshop.
Yes, sir. What to learn, think, read, organization, and many other things, sir.
Okay. Uh, was Homer software useful to you, ma?
Yes, sir. So,
Hmm?
yes,
Yeah. Are you sure enough that can anyone do the mini project on Homer software?
yes,
How many are planning to do so? If,
Yes, you can raise your hand if you want to do the project based upon this Homer software by having a comparison with MATLAB.
because if you see, it even adds to your resume if you learn advanced software. So in that, if you can say that I've done a project on particular software, then obviously it would be a pitching factor for interviewers to select you. It doesn't mean that it should be only the software, I mean, say, which is related to programming other things. Because they test the zeal which you have in learning programming. Yeah, others speak out.
Yes, sir. 18 BK 1A0 219. 219. 18 BK 1A0 219.
Sir, yes, sir. Unmute our, yes, sir.
Speak out, speak out. What are the different factors what you have learned from the workshop?
Sir, and this was a very new thing to me, sir. This I never learned before. So for me, it was very eye-opening, sir. Ki itla kuda untadani. So
Okay.
that is one thing. So thank you for the session, ma'am and sir. That I never knew something about BLDC and all those things. So I came to know at least a little bit about what software is to be used and how to create those further projects that we need in the coming career of our life. So thank you. That was what I learned.
Okay. Yes, 18 BK 1A0 225. 225. 18 BK 1A0 225.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is your response regarding this workshop for 3 days?
Yeah, sir, it's interesting and it's also very new for us. So we just came to know some basics and we learned something which is very new to us.
So by using the content what you have learned from this workshop, are you able to do a mini project based upon this? Are you interested in doing the mini project based upon the things whatever you have learned?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other person, you can share your feedback regarding the workshop, whatever we have conducted, man. Yes, any other person? 18BK 1A0 227. 227.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Priyanka. Please
Sir.
raise your voice. I think there is no need of calling the rule numbers, at least for giving the feedback. I'm not asking the answers regarding my subject, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please
Well,
speak up.
it's
Please
a
speak.
it's a completely new topic, sir. And by seeing that about the opportunities and all, and how the Homer software is used, it's completely a new topic. And I mean, we are very much thankful that we came to know about the software and all. And today's class was a bit typical, but it was good that we came to know about all those things. It was quite interesting, sir.
Fine, fine. Sir, HOD sir, Venkatesh sir has been joined our session for the valedictory.
Okay.
Okay, let us start the valedictory session, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Fine, okay. Good evening to one and all, respected HOD sir, and also the resource person who has delivered the session for the last 3 days. For the first 2 days, it was given by the Mr. Venkatesh Bodapati sir, who is a research scholar in NIT. And similarly, the Netravati ma'am for today's session, she has completed the session based upon the optimization. Good evening to one and all. I have completely honored and delighted as we, from the department of Triply, we have conducted the first workshop in this academic year, and it has been successful. Uh, and I thank the Netravati ma'am and also the Venkatesh for readily accepting our invitation, and they are given their brilliant lectures of what our students don't know, and even I don't know about the Homer software clearly. I came to know about the Homer software yesterday, depending upon the hands-on section, whatever given by the Venkatesh sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for readily accepting our invitation and giving an excellent lecture based upon this information, and which energized our minds a lot in order to do the research work or do the projects in case of future. And Netravati ma'am, she has delivered a lecture based upon the optimization, how the optimization will be done, and how the things will be implemented, and how the optimizing a generic algorithm with the MATLAB will also be done. So it may be a calculated procedure, but there is a lot of things. She has written the code completely in case of a MATLAB software, and she has explained how the output can be obtained from that. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot, as you have readily accepted our invitation and delivered a lecture for our students. Thanks a lot. Now I request our HOD sir to speak a few words about the workshop.
Thank you, Mallikarjun.
Okay, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Secretary Sir for and Principal Madam for giving permission to organize this workshop, and as well as funding this workshop, because earlier we were thinking of conducting this workshop on a collective basis from students, but with their support, it happened to be some management side. And I would like to thank especially Venkatesh Garu and Netravati Madam for accepting the invitation and delivering such a wonderful lecture with patience and all. I know it's difficult uh, for them to deliver continuous 2 hours and 4 hours a day, continuous two in, at a stretch, and 4 hours a day. With great patience, they have done the job, and I heartfully wish that the next session I just want to conduct with their doctorate, because I want to get the doctorate degrees as soon as possible, and we want to conduct a workshop after you the similar way after you get your doctorate, sir and madam. And as said, the Homer software, as I've said in the inaugural session, Homer software is now gaining popularity for designing the solar and as well as non-conventional energy sources. And today's Netravati madam's session, I think for students it would be little bit tough, but it has given the insight of what is optimization and genetic algorithm. Because I do agree that without any such basic skills of optimization, learning the genetic algorithm for student level, it would be tough. But especially for doing the projects, uh, for third year students in final year, they will be doing projects on. So if you use this GA and optimization tools, it will be very helpful. So I would like to thank Mallikarjun sir and as well as Ganesh sir for organizing this workshop at a short duration, because last week only we have confirmed the workshop, and then they have arranged all the things. Workshop is success. Extended in conducting this. So, lastly, I would like to say that for students, as it is an online-based one, the interactivity level was a little bit less. But for sure, if after the pandemic, we'll have sessions of the similar kind in offline. That is hands-on training in laboratory itself. Then you can even improve your technical skills. So thank you all for listening this workshop and making this workshop a success. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing the feedback regarding the workshop. And I especially thank the resource persons for this particular workshop, Mr. Venkatesh sir and also Mrs. Netramati ma'am, for making this workshop a successful one and for explaining our students lots of information what they don't know. And I finally thank Mr. CHV Ganesh sir, who has supported me a lot in conducting this particular workshop. Thank you, sir. Thanks you once again. Sir, if anyone want to speak anything about this particular workshop, now you can speak few words about this. Venkatesh sir? Hello? Hello, sir?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, sir. If you want to speak anything about this workshop organizing or else anything, you can speak few words about this.
In future, we will conduct one offline workshop on Homer and MATLAB, possible
Okay.
after COVID pandemic maybe.
Okay, sir.
And also we'll see how the collaboration can takes place. We'll see all those things in future. Thank you all students for listening. Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting. And
Thank you,
HOD
sir.
sir
Thanks.
also, and for you also, madam, principal madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Mrs. Netravati ma'am to speak few words about the organizing of a workshop.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers and the college for giving me an opportunity. And thank you, students, for listening. I know MATLAB is not everyone's cup of tea. You may feel it difficult. Yeah, but yeah, as HOD sir told, in the final year, it will be definitely useful for you to do a project. I hope at least if it has done a delta change also, I am very thankful. I will be very happy if there is a delta knowledge if you have gained also. So thank you for listening to me patiently, and thank you Mallikarjun sir for coordinating the workshop and coordinating with me. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Sir, after the completion of this workshop, I will share the feedbacks to the students and I will share the same feedback to you, sir. Fine. Okay, with this, we are going to conclude with the 3 days workshop, which is based upon this microgrid design and feasibility assessment based upon the Homer and MATLAB. Thank you for lots of support from our HOD sir, principal ma'am, and also the secretary sir for having an arranging for different things for with respect to this particular workshop. Thank you once again. Sir, HOD sir, let us end the session for the day. Hello?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, students, after the completion of this, I am going to share the feedback form and we will provide the certificates for the students who has attended all the 6 days completely without any absence. So please go to that, and I have posted the videos, whatever recorded in each and every session in your group already. You can go through the links, and if you have any doubt, you can raise your voice or else you can mail me. Fine? Okay.
Mallikarjun sir, I just wanted to
Sir,
tell
sir,
you one
sir.
thing.
Sir.
I can see first day and second day, I can see the attendance. Okay, we cannot find that much attendance from any college. I think almost 100 to 100 students are attended sessions.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
we'll
sir.
appreciate, sir. Appreciate your efforts.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, students, thank you for your support for conducting this workshop, and you have made it successfully by answering the questions to, it may be 2 or 3%, but if you conducted such type of workshops in your future, you will habituate for that, and thanks for supporting me and making this program a successful one. Fine, I am going to end the session for the day. I will share the feedback form in your groups. Please fill the feedback form by today night. Fine, thank you.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Let's close the session.